3, 4. Shut the door. Good. 4 and door.
Shut the door.
Good. 5, 6. Up, stick.
Oh my God.
Lay them straight. 7, 8 and straight rhyme. 9, 10.
A
Big
big
fat
T.
hen. I see some of the moms know the song. We learned that when we were little girls like you. Well, we weren't little boys like you. When we were young like you. All right, one more time. 1, 2. Buckle my. Hey, Preston, come on. Buckle my shoe.
1, 2, 4.
Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Shut the door. 5, 6. Pick up 6. Francisco, I can't see you. 7, 8. Lay them straight. 9, 10. Big fat hen. All right.
Buckle my shoe.
We need to sing a song, I think. So here we go. Get your finger and you just do what I do, okay? You see what I'm doing? Do this. One finger, one thumb. Ready? One finger, one thumb, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. We'll all be merry and bright. One finger, one thumb, one arm, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, keep moving.
Now do what she say,
One
do.
finger, one thumb, one arm, keep moving. We'll all be merry and bright. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, keep moving. Make your leg move. Finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, keep moving. Are you moving your arms and your legs? One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, keep moving. You can't see my leg. Maybe if I stand up, you can see I'm doing my leg like that. See it? We'll all be merry and bright. Okay, Preston, you got to be sitting down for this one because we're going to stand up in a minute. Sit down. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, one. Oh, not yet. Nod of the head, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one. Go, James. One nod of the head, keep moving. Come on, Lauren. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one. Come on, Jalea. One nod of the arm, keep moving. We'll all be merry and bright. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, one nod of the head. Stand up, sit down, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, one nod of the head. Stand up, sit down, keep moving. Come on, Lauren.
You gotta get up and down.
One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, one nod of the head. Stand up, sit down, keep moving. We'll be merry and bright. This is the last time. Everybody ready? It's finger, thumb, arm, leg, nod of the head. Every time when we stand up, we're going to turn around before we sit down. Ready? Lauren, are you ready? Come on, don't make your mom do all the exercise now. Francisco, you ready? One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, one nod, turn around, sit down, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, one head, stand up, turn around, sit down, turn around, sit down, moving. You can't even see me turn around. I don't have room to turn right here. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, one nod of the head, stand up, turn around, sit down, keep moving. We'll all be merry and bright. All right, Lauren, I saw you doing it. Jalea, you didn't want to dance with us today? We try to do something wiggly this time every afternoon. So tomorrow, become ready to dance, okay? Okay. Whew. All right. Let's try 1, 2, buckle my shoe one more time. And I'm going to, we're doing counting again like we did with the fish. So I'm going to hold up my hands, my fingers. Ready? 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10. Do it again. I like do it again. Excuse me. All right, one more time. We'll do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Oh, I hear somebody's got it. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, big fat 10. You can say do it again. I like do it again better. Okay. And then, so this afternoon, you have a lot to look at because you have to think about, we counted the fish today. Remember one little fish swimming in a splashing? And one more came and then there were 2. It is, I have it, excuse me. I'm sending you a video that has me singing it on there, okay? Okay. It's going to whatever email your mom registered you with. So check your email. I put it on YouTube. Yeah, that's the only way I can get it to you. It's too big to just send it to you. I have to put it on YouTube.
I found it on my tablet.
It's in your mom's email. So ask your mom to help you get it on YouTube. Okay. I have a YouTube channel.
You know where you at.
If you get on my YouTube channel, then you can watch them all.
You know where you at though.
Listen to me. Get your mom check her email, okay? And then you can press on the link and it'll show the videos. And then you'll be on my YouTube channel. You can see them all.
I know you when I was riding my bike. And then I just remember I was at grandmother's house and I hurt myself.
Oh,
I was
sorry.
But remember, I was getting on the bike and I was still riding it, and then I was there to get on again, so I fell.
Well, you know what that reminds me of? The story we read about feeling sad. Did you feel sad when you fell?
No, look, this little thing I saw like this.
Oh, okay.
It's made of scratch.
All right, my friends.
You see right here.
You got to check. You got to see your homework. You ready? This is our homework for tonight. Let's see. This is a math page. So you can trace the number. So these are the numbers that we've talked about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's what you can do. This says rainbow trace, which means you can gotta listen. It means you can listen. Trace the number with a crayon. And then over here it says draw. So right here you trace the number 1 and then you draw one thing. Right here, you trace the number 2 and you draw 2 things. Right here, you trace the number 3 and you draw how many?
3 things.
3 things. You got it. Right here, you trace the number 4 and you draw
number
4 things. Now look over here. If you get all the way to 10 and you trace the 10, look at this box. If you draw 10 things, they're going to have to be 10 teeny tiny things, aren't they? So you can draw 10 little bitty things if you get over on this side. At least try to do this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But if you can do both sides, that'll be great. But if you do one side for tomorrow, that'll be super, and then you can work on the other over the weekend. Deal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
All right, my
ma'am.
friends. I think we're going to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Do y'all want to sing the fish song one more time before we go?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. One little fish swimming in the sea, splishing and a splashing, rocking to the beat. Good, Francisco. Here comes another fish. Whoops, let's go. Two little fish swimming in a row. Two little fish swimming in the sea, splishing and a splashing, rocking to the beat. Hey, sister, here comes another fish. Whoops, let's go. Three little fish swimming in a row. Three little fish swimming in the sea, splishing and a splashing, rocking to the beat. Here comes another fish. Whoops, let's go. Four little fish swimming in a row. Four little fish swimming in the sea, splishing and a splashing, rocking to the beat. Here comes another fish. Whoops, let's go. Five little fish swimming in a row. And guess what the five little fish did? The five little fish wave goodbye. So everybody wave goodbye. Say, I love you.
I love you.
All right, let me see the I love yous. And see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
I'll see you tomorrow at 8:30. Bye. Oh, good, Francisco. I see you know how to do it. Good job, Preston. I see you. Who else am I missing? Good job, James.
Lauren, come do it.
Where are you, Lauren? I lost you.
He said, good job, Jane.
Do
you where you
do it?
goodbye? You love you. Do you love you?
You don't have to say that, but this means I love you. I'm gonna say it to you, okay? All right.
Can I get a good job too?
Who did a good job?
Who did a good job?
Francisco did a good job. James did a good job. Lauren, let me see your
I did
let me see.
Be still.
That's Francisco's sister.
Me did a good.
Oh. Let me see it, sister.
Put your thing up.
I want to see I love you. You're not going to do it now?
She'll say I love you. Okay. Go close to the camera.
Good job, sister. Yay. All right. See y'all tomorrow, 8:30. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, little teacher.